Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that their ear speaker not working. They cannot hear anything or low volume while calling. In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Set call audio routing to speaker. For that, go to Settings app. Next, find and tap on Accessibility. Tap on Touch. Scroll down and tap on Call Audio Routing. Switch it to speaker if any other option has selected. Solution 2. Clean the ear speaker. Take a new soft toothbrush. Gently clean the ear speaker. Don't do it hardly. If any dust and debris inside the speaker, this method will help you to remove them. Solution 3. Turn off Bluetooth. For that, go to Settings app. Next, tap on Bluetooth. Now turn off Bluetooth. Do this via Settings. If you do it via Control Center, Bluetooth will not be turned off completely. Solution 4. Enable hearing aid compatibility. For that, go to Settings app. Next, tap on Accessibility. Tap on Hearing Devices. Now enable hearing aid compatibility. Solution 5. Turn off phone noise cancellation. Go to Settings app. Next, tap on Accessibility. Tap on Audio Visual. Turn off phone noise cancellation if it's turned on. Solution 6. Force restart your iPhone. If you have iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE 2nd and 3rd generation, do the following steps. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. If you have iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, do the following steps. Press and hold the sleep or wake button and volume down button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. Solution 7. Reset all settings. This process resets your all customized settings to default settings, but none of your personal data will be deleted. For that, go to Settings app. Find and tap on General. Scroll down to bottom. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Select Reset all settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up window, select Reset all settings and again select Reset all settings to confirm this process. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.